Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to add buttons to your HTML page. So let's hop into the video. Okay, so in the last video there was a lot of support as you all said that you love the HTML series. So I'm making a video now how to add buttons. So you can add buttons that work with another page here, like if you have another page in your website and you can make it like if you press on the button it will go to another website. Okay, so now we're gonna make like an invite one, like to the support server and the button invite. So it's pretty easy, just add like this and A and then ref. Here let's put the link, so let me go to my now back to here. If I copy it like this, nothing will happen. That's amazing. Okay, now if I did like this here and came type button, okay, and typed here invite or bot invite, okay. Now if I go to my website, let me just do this again, I will see this over here. If I pressed on it, I will go here to my like the invite, but this is pretty bad looking, right? So that's why we got CSS. Okay, so let's customize it. There's something called point and then put whatever name you want, like button. Okay, so what is this point? So basically, let me do like this. So in the discord.js there's something called var equal, like var maybe user equal first mentions not first, those things. Okay, so this is basically the same thing. It is variable, and there's, if you don't know what is var in discord.js, it is like let user or const user. It should not be user, like you can make it something else, you know, or like var, because this is the most common. So we are creating a variable in here, so we can customize it as much as we want. Okay, so first of all, let's make the color white. I wonder, where is white? Okay, and now let's maybe make the font size, or not the font size, let's make width here 170 pixel. Okay, and height like this will be 50. Okay, so now if I try to reload the page, nothing yet. Oh yeah, I need to go over here and put here class and like that and type button, because this is our variable. So if you don't know what I just made, I just connected our variable to the button. Okay, so like if I go over here, this is our variable button. Okay, and when I type class and the name of the variable, it will connect it. So if I did this right now, as you can see, it is now bigger. So now let's continue. Background, so background color will be white too. Okay, so now maybe if I reload, it is all white. That's normal. Okay, so basically let me continue. So yeah, here this should be px. I forgot that. I was kind of confused why. Now as you can see, it is bigger. Okay, so now maybe I should change this to black. Yeah, as you can see, it is now black, but we can do something awesome, we can do transparent. Let the color be transparent and this be white. So this will be transparent and the name will be in white. As you can see, it's transparent. So basically the border is not kinda like we can't see the border, okay? So this is easy to solve. Just type here border. So like border and then just border, okay? And maybe 2 pixels is good. Okay, 2 pixel and let it be solid. Okay, and white. So it will be this white. Like as you can see, it is now at the border and it is white. And the thing is working if I pressed on it. But we didn't finish yet. We can make it like this is a corner. We can make it something more awesome, like border radius, maybe 30 pixel. If I did this, as you can see, it is like a circle shape in the end, as you can see. So we can do something else too. We can make the outline, because when I pressed on it, as you can see, there is an outline over here, right? So I can remove this outline by just simply typing outline. Wait, I have to put this and then outline and make it 0. So now if I press on it, as you can see, nothing, there is nothing around it. Okay, so now let's make it, if I hovered over it, nothing happens, right? So let's customize it a little bit. So button hover, okay, and then like this. So when I hover it, maybe it would be a good idea if it changed the color. So like background color, it will be white, and the color of the like the text, so color will be black. Okay, so now let's try it. If I hover right now over it, as you can see, change the color of the like text to black and the background to white. By the way, I kinda think it should be kinda bigger, so font size. So maybe it would be a good idea if I made 20 pixels. Now let me go and reload. And yes, it is kinda good like size, you know. But normally when the mouse got on something, it changed to like a pointer. So this is easy to do. So button and hover. So when I hover on it, the cursor will be pointer. Okay. So now, as you can see, there is nothing. If I reload now, see the difference? Now it changed. So it is clickable, as you can see. Okay, so maybe that's how I edit one button. You can add another one. It's just simple. Just do like this and paste it. And let's make another one. Like just copy all of this. Paste it over here, let it be button 2. Okay, so if I did here button 2 and here support server, and let me go get an invite real quick. Here, okay, never generate new. Okay, let me go paste. Oops, wrong place. Paste over here. Okay, now if I go to here and reload, as you can see, it is over here. So there's something, if I press maybe on this, it opens in the same tab. I can make it open in another tab by simply just going over here in ref and after href I mean, and type target and underscore blank. And the same here. So target and then underscore blank. Reload. Now if I try to press on one of those, like now, it opens in a new tab. Same with this one, as you can see. Okay, so I can invite my bot now. So I guess that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.